NotebookLM plus Kimi 2.5 just changed everything. This combo is wild. Students finish homework in minutes, teachers build entire courses on autopilot, and entrepreneurs, they're building full businesses while they sleep. I'm going to show you exactly how to use these together to build actual business systems, like how to turn a pile of research into a full landing page, or how to create an entire course from just a few documents. This isn't theory stuff, this is what's working right now, and the people who learn these workflows now are going to dominate, while everyone else is still manually writing content or spending weeks building courses. You'll be doing it in hours, and the quality is just as good, sometimes better. So stick around because I'm breaking down the exact process, and I'll show you real examples you can use today. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. And today we're talking about something crazy. 2 AI tools that most people are using separately, but when you combine them, it's like giving your brain superpowers. I'm talking about NotebookLM and Kimi 2.5. And stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to use these together to build actual business systems. All right, let's start with NotebookLM. If you haven't used this yet, you're missing out. NotebookLM is Google's AI research tool. You upload documents, PDFs, Google Docs, whatever, and it turns them into summaries, study guides, even audio overviews. It's powered by Gemini AI, so it understands context really well. Here's what makes it special. You can throw in lecture notes, business reports, competitor research. And it doesn't just summarize, it creates flashcards, quizzes, mind maps. It even generates video and audio overviews of your content. Think about that for a second. You upload a 50-page business plan, and NotebookLM gives you a 10-minute audio breakdown, like having someone read and explain everything to you. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people stop there. They use NotebookLM to organize their notes, maybe study for a test. But that's only half the power, because NotebookLM is amazing at understanding and organizing information, but it's not built to execute. That's where Kimi 2.5 comes in. Kimi is different. It's not just an AI chatbot, it's what they call an agentic AI. That means it doesn't just answer questions, it actually does things, multiple things at once. Kimi can handle text, images, and even video inputs. You can show it a screenshot of a website design, and it will write the code to build it. Or you can give it a video of someone using an app and it'll recreate the functionality. But here's the crazy part. Kimi uses something called agent swarms. Think of it like this. Instead of one AI doing one task at a time, Kimi can spin up 100 mini agents, all working on different parts of your project at the same time. So if you're building a landing page, one agent writes the copy, another designs the layout, another creates the images, another writes the code, all happening in parallel. Is up to 4.5 times faster than regular AI. And it can handle up to 1,500 tool calls in one workflow. That's insane. Now, let me show you how these two work together. Let's say you're a student. You have a research paper due. You've got 20 articles, 3 textbooks, and a bunch of lecture notes. Normally, you'd spend hours reading through everything, taking notes, organizing, writing. Here's the new way. Upload everything to NotebookLM. It reads all of it, gives you a summary, key points, quotes. It even creates flashcards so you can study. Then you take that organized research and you feed it into Kimi. Tell Kimi to write the paper, format it properly, add citations, make it flow. What used to take a full weekend, done in an hour. Now, let's talk about teachers. Imagine you're building a new course. You have your syllabus, some YouTube videos, maybe a textbook. You want to create lesson plans, quizzes, slides. Here's what you do. Upload your materials to NotebookLM. It breaks down the syllabus into modules, creates study guides for each section, generates quiz questions automatically. Then you send that structure to Kimi, and Kimi builds the actual course materials, slides with visuals, interactive code demos if it's a tech course, even video scripts for each lesson, your entire course built in a day. And speaking of using these tools effectively, this is exactly what we focus on in the AI Profit Boardroom. We don't just talk about AI tools, we show you how to use them to save time and automate your business with tools like NotebookLM and Kimi, step-by-step processes, real workflows, actual templates, like the exact prompts to use with NotebookLM and Kimi, the exact systems to build landing pages, courses, content, everything you need to start automating today. Because here's the truth, AI is moving fast, new tools come out every week, and if you're trying to figure it all out alone, you're going to fall behind. But when you have a community of people all testing and sharing what works, you stay ahead. You see what's working before everyone else. You get access to SOPs, templates, use cases, and you actually implement. That's what the AI Profit Boardroom is all about. Practical AI automation for real businesses. No hype, no fluff, just results. But here's where it gets really powerful. For entrepreneurs and business owners, let me give you a real example. Let's say you run the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to create a new landing page that converts, one that shows the value of AI automation, explains all the benefits of your community, gets more customers, leads, and traffic. Here's the workflow. First, gather your research, customer testimonials, competitor landing pages, your best content. Upload it all to NotebookLM. NotebookLM analyzes everything. It creates a strategy report, shows you what messaging works, what pain points to hit, gives you a mind map of the perfect customer journey. Now, you take that strategy and you feed it into Kimi. You tell Kimi, design a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom, make it convert, show the value, explain the benefits. Kimi doesn't just give you ideas, it builds the actual page, writes the headlines, the bullet points, the call to action, creates the layout, the color scheme, the button placement, and then it writes the code, full HTML, CSS, everything ready to go live. You can literally copy and paste it. One workflow, start to finish. Research to live landing page. And because Kimi uses agent swarms, it all happens fast. While one agent is writing copy, another is designing, another is optimizing for mobile, another is adding tracking codes, all at the same time. This is what I mean by business automation. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. This sounds complicated, but it's actually simple once you see it. NotebookLM is free to use. Just go to Google NotebookLM, upload your files. Kimi has a free tier too. You can use the web app, the mobile app, or the API. If you code, there's even Kimi code for CLI and IDE integration. The tools are accessible. The question is, are you going to use them? Now, let me show you another example, content creation. Let's say you want to create a lead magnet for the AI Profit Boardroom, maybe a free guide on AI automation for small businesses. You have some blog posts, case studies, maybe a webinar recording. Upload it all to NotebookLM. It creates an outline, pulls the best examples, organizes the flow, then send it to Kimi, tell it to write the guide, design it, make it look professional. Kimi writes every section, creates graphics, formats it as a PDF. Your lead magnet is done. So here's what I want you to do. First, go try NotebookLM, upload some documents, see what it creates, then check out Kimi, test the agent workflows, see how they work together. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab, links in the comments and description.